Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and this is Organizing Spices, and in today's video we will be creating two DIYs, a DIY wreath for my front door and also a welcome sign that will accompany this wreath for fall. Let's get started. You keep me wondering. So for this project, you'll need a wreath. I chose to get a grapevine wreath. You'll need flowers of your choice, glue sticks, a hot glue gun, some floral wire, and a wire cutter. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving on me. So I started by placing the flowers. I haven't started gluing them down yet. I want to place them so that I can easily take them out and rearrange them if I need to. I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. So if you are new here, my name is Ashley and I wanted to take some time to welcome you to my channel, Organizing Spices. On this channel, I do a lot of cleaning motivation, organizational motivation, and also DIYs and home decor projects. So if you are into that kind of content, I wish that you would join us here on Organizing Spices. We look forward to having you, and comment down below and let me know that you are new so I can give you a proper welcome. Walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you. So the inspiration for my wreath was I saw a couple wreaths at Michael's and Hobby Lobby and a couple at Home Goods, and for the size of my door, it's about 10 or 12 feet. I was not going to pay $300 for a wreath, so I decided to DIY my own. Next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
When you have your husband helping you and he decided to make it look like Dawson's Creek, yeah.
I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
So now that I am just about finished, I'm going to fill it in with some leaves and fill in any blank spots where I might have missed because of the angles that I have this laying at. And then once I'm done, we'll start on the next DIY project. So stick around.
Let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Give me some time, give me some time to get stronger. I'll be okay, just give me a little bit longer. Yeah, we're gonna win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye, it's never goodbye till it's over. Come back to love. I was so crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never do what we used to. Leaving without saying, teasing without playing. I've had enough. So come back to love. I hope you're all good. I hope you're all good where you are now. It's probably too late, but here I am reaching my arm out. I want us to win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye, it's never goodbye till it's over. Come back to love. I was so crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never do what we used to. Leaving without saying, teasing without playing. I've had enough. So come back to love. I hope you're still with me. This time will be different.
So we're all done and we're going to move into the next DIY.
So come back to love. I was so crazy.
So we picked up this board from Home Depot or Lowe's. I'm not sure which one, but I'm pretty sure they both have the same board. My husband is here just not sanding it, but cleaning it off and preparing it for the stain, and then we will start staining this piece of board.
out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
I picked up some wooden letters from Hobby Lobby and we're just spraying them white, and then we will use some brad nails to attach them to the piece of board that we picked up from Lowe's.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way.
So my husband ended up nailing the M on backwards and we had to take it off. So here it is, applied to the board backwards. But we ended up fixing it later off camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We really enjoyed doing these DIY projects, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Or maybe I'm not enough for you.